Welcome to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz. Today's current affairs. Let's begin. அர்ஜுனா அரசு தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவிற்கு வரவேற்கிறோம். இன்றைய நடப்பு நிகழ்வுகள். தொடங்குவோம். Question 1. Which of the following statements is correct regarding the Nagara style of temple architecture in India? 1. It is characterized by a curvilinear shikhra. 2. The temple complex often includes a water tank. 3. It typically features a cruciform ground plan. 4. It is primarily found in South India. Select the correct answer using the code given below. 1, 2, 3, 4. The correct answer is 1 only. The Nagara style is characterized by a curvilinear shikhra. It is primarily found in North India and generally does not include a water tank within the main temple complex, nor does it typically feature a cruciform ground plan. Sariyana Badil, 1. Question 2. With reference to the paintings of Ajanta caves, consider the following statements. 1. The paintings predominantly depict themes from the Jatak tales. 2. The use of fresco secco technique is a hallmark of these paintings. 3. They primarily feature Buddhist religious art. Which of the statements given above is correct? 1, 2, 3. The correct answer is 1 and 3 only. Ajanta paintings predominantly depict themes from Jatak tales, illustrating the previous births of Buddha, and are primarily Buddhist religious art. The technique used is fresco secco, where paint is applied on dry plaster, not wet fresco. Sariyana Badil, 1, 3. Question 3. Which of the following literary works are attributed to Kalidasa, the renowned classical Sanskrit writer? 1. Meghdutta. 2. Mrichtaktika. 3. Raghuvamsha. 4. Kadambari. Select the correct answer using the code given below. 1, 2, 3, 4. The correct answer is 1 and 3 only. Meghdutta and Raghuvamsh are two of the most famous works of Kalidasa. Mrichtaktika was written by Shudraka and Kadambari by Banbhatta. Sariyana Badil, 1, 3. Question 4. Consider the following statements regarding Kathakali, a classical dance form of India. 1. It originated in Kerala. 2. Elaborate facial makeup and colorful costumes are characteristic features. 3. The themes are primarily drawn from the epics and Puranas. Which of the statements given above is correct? 1, 2, 3, 4. The correct answer is 1, 2 and 3. All 3 statements are correct. Kathakali is a major classical Indian dance drama form that originated in Kerala, known for its elaborate makeup, costumes, and themes from Hindu epics and Puranas. Sariyana Badil, 1, 2, 3. Question 5. Which of the following architectural features is characteristic of Humayun's tomb in Delhi? 1. It is the first garden tomb on the Indian subcontinent. 2. It extensively uses red sandstone with white marble accents. 3. It served as an inspiration for the Taj Mahal. 4. It features a double dome structure. Select the correct answer using the code given below. 1, 2, 3, 4. The correct answer is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Humayun's tomb is indeed the first garden tomb on the Indian subcontinent, extensively uses red sandstone with white marble accents, served as a significant inspiration for the Taj Mahal, and features a double dome structure, which was an innovation of its time. சரியான பதில் 1, 2, 3, 4. Question 6. With reference to Jainism, which of the following statements are correct? 1. The ultimate goal of Jainism is to achieve moksha by following the three jewels, Triratnas. 2. Mahavir was the founder of Jainism and the first Tirthankar. 3. Ahimsa, non-violence, is considered the most fundamental principle. Select the correct answer using the code given below. 1, 2, 3. The correct answer is 1 and 3 only. The ultimate goal of Jainism is moksha through Triratnas, right faith, right knowledge, right conduct, and ahimsa is its most fundamental principle. However, Mahavir was the 24th Tirthankar, not the first or the founder. Rishabhanatha was the first Tirthankar. சரியான பதில் 1, 3. 24. Question 7. Which of the following sites of the Indus Valley civilization is known for its unique water management system, including a series of reservoirs and an elaborate drainage system? The correct answer is Dholavira. Dholavira, located in Gujarat, is renowned for its sophisticated water management system, which included rainwater harvesting and a series of reservoirs to store water. சரியான பதில். Question 8. Which of the following statements about the right to equality, Articles 14 to 18, in the Indian Constitution are correct? 1. Article 15 prohibits discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. 2. Article 16 provides for equality of opportunity in matters of public employment. 3. Article 17 abolishes untouchability and forbids its practice in any form. Select the correct answer using the code given below. 14 முதல் 18 வரை 1, 15 2, 16 3, 17. The correct answer is 1, 2 and 3. All three statements are correct. Articles 15, 16 and 17 are integral parts of the right to equality, addressing discrimination, equality of opportunity in public employment, and the abolition of untouchability, respectively. சரியான பதில் 1, 2, 3. 15, 16, 17. Question 9. Consider the following statements regarding the powers of the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha in India. 1. A money bill can only be introduced in the Lok Sabha. 2. The Rajya Sabha has equal powers with the Lok Sabha in amending the constitution. 3. A resolution for the removal of the vice president can be initiated only in the Rajya Sabha. Which of the statements given above are correct? 1, 2, 3. The correct answer is 1, 2 and 3. All three statements are correct. Money bills originate only in the Lok Sabha. Both houses have equal power in amending the constitution. The vice president, being the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha, can only be removed by a resolution initiated in the Rajya Sabha. சரியான பதில் 1, 2, 3. Question 10. The term Nationally Determined Contributions, NDCs, is often seen in the news in the context of which international agreement? NDCs? The correct answer is Paris Agreement. Nationally determined contributions, NDCs, are at the heart of the Paris Agreement and the achievement of its long-term goals. NDCs embody efforts by each country to reduce national emissions and adapt to the impacts of climate change. Sariyana Badil. NDCs. NDCs. Question 11. Which of the following is the primary objective of India's Gaganyaan mission? The correct answer is to demonstrate indigenous capability to undertake human spaceflight to low Earth orbit. The Gaganyaan mission aims to demonstrate India's indigenous capability to undertake human spaceflight to low Earth orbit, LEO, and safely return the crew to Earth. Sariyana Badil. LEO. Question 12. Recently, the Indian Navy launched the ASW Shallow Watercraft, SWC, Machilipatnam, at Cochin Shipyard. What does ASW primarily refer to in this context? ASW, SWC. ASW? The correct answer is anti-submarine warfare. ASW stands for anti-submarine warfare. Shallow watercraft, SWC, are designed to detect and neutralize enemy submarines in coastal waters and shallow areas. Sariyana Badil. ASW. SWC. Question 13. Union Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia recently announced India's first telecom manufacturing zone. Where is this zone planned to be established? The correct answer is Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. Union Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia announced that India's first telecom manufacturing zone will be established in Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. Sariyana Badil. Question 14. The Napier Museum in Thiruvananthapuram was recently made disabled-friendly with ramps and stairlifts. This initiative aligns with the government's broader goal of The correct answer is ensuring inclusive development and accessibility. Making the Napier Museum disabled-friendly is part of the government's aim for inclusive development, ensuring that cultural heritage sites are accessible to all sections of society, including persons with disabilities. Sariyana Badil. Question 15. Which of the following events occurred earliest in Mahatma Gandhi's political career in India? The correct answer is Champaran Satyagraha. The correct chronological order of these events is Champaran Satyagraha, 1917, Ahmedabad Mill Strike, 1918, Kheda Satyagraha, 1918, and Non-Cooperation Movement, 1920-22. Thus, Champaran Satyagraha was the earliest. Sariyana Badil. 1917, 1918, 1918, 1920 முதல் 22 வரை. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz for a new quiz every day. பார்த்ததற்கு நன்றி. தினமும் ஒரு புதிய வினாடி வினாவிற்கு அர்ஜுனா அரசு தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் செய்யுங்கள்.